Do you ever watch a series or a film and you see an outfit and you just like, I need it. I need it. Well, that was me when I watched The Queen's Gambit and saw this dress. To be fair, most of the outfits in that series is really, really nice. But this one specifically, it's my favorite. I think it's so cute. I was on Pinterest and saw a pattern, an original 1950s pattern, and I clicked on it and found an Etsy shop that does like reproduction vintage patterns. What is this? It's the dress. So obviously I bought it because I had to. It is basically the same dress. It's slightly different. It's not asymmetrical at the front. It's, you know, it's got a seam down the front. But honestly, I can alter that. One problem is that this is, since it's a reproduction pattern, it's a set size. It's a size 14 and bust 32 inches. So it's going to be too small. But I'm thinking of just making a mock-up. I'm going to call it 12. Like, fight me, Americans. I think I'm just going to make a 12 of it and see how much I need to take it out. I don't think I will have to take it out that much, but definitely a little bit. And with the pattern, it comes like a cute little booklet. It's really sweet. It's like all kinds of like how to take your measurements and like a fabric worksheet and a little grandma's tip. It's very cute. And on the back is the back of the pattern with all the fabric and notions. And according to this, I need 3 or 4 yards of fabric. But since I'm making it in tartan, I'm gonna have to pattern match. So I think about 5 yards. Should be all right, yeah. But what I really like about this pattern is it has got the original instructions on it. It's got all the original instructions on it, and usually I'm not very good at following patterns. I usually just kind of actually cut out the pattern and just do whatever. But for this one, I'm gonna actually follow the pattern along a bit because I'm interested in knowing how it would have been done originally. So I'm very excited to try that out. I've ordered the fabric. It should arrive within the next couple days, hopefully. But in the meanwhile, I'm gonna make the 12. Probably no one can heard that because I was like, ing, but yeah. In the meanwhile, I'm just gonna make the 12, and I've got the lining, so I could make up the lining. And hopefully when it arrives, it will be quite quick to make up. I'm hoping to finish it before Christmas, but that's like a week away. Okay, so I've just cut out these pieces of an old bed sheet and I'm just going to stitch them together and see how it fits. I've done all the alterations to my pattern now, and I'm gonna make up the lining and just make it up and use it as a second toile. I just want to see if the alterations actually fit, and I really don't want to make another toile. And you know, the lining I can piece and change a lot, so we'll see. I had a bit of an issue finding a nice lining for this. I didn't really want a polyester lining for a wool dress. I think that would be really, really warm. Also, I hate working with polyester. I did manage to find this viscose taffeta, and hopefully that's a little bit more airy. We'll see. I'm just gonna line the bodice. I'm not gonna line the skirt yet. I might have to line it if it's really itchy, but I think it might actually be fine. I bought a lot of it so that I'm gonna make another woolen jacket, so I can just use this for the lining for that. I'm just gonna cut out this and make it up, and hopefully it fits. We'll see. I'm a bit late to the Queen's Gambit party, but I did technically finish the dress an hour before Christmas dinner, and then I was busy with my honours. So we're filming the outro now. You know what, this year, time isn't real anymore. Happy Christmas. So it's been a while since I actually made this dress, but that just means that I've been able to wear it more, and I've actually been wearing it so often. I really love it. It's a great dress. I'm actually kind of sad that it's now getting to summer and it's getting too hot to wear my woolen dress. I did also finally finish it. It took me ages to do a proper hem for the photo shoot. I actually just turned it up because I didn't have time to hem it. So now I've made an actual hem. There are a couple things that I do want to maybe improve upon. I did decide I wanted to put a pocket in it, but the pocket is tiny and there's not space for my phone in it. Modern problems requires not very modern solutions. Yeah, I'm just gonna make a new pocket. I'm funny. Right, I've been wearing this so much that it's actually kind of just transformed my wardrobe. Like, I've been buying items that are just like the same vibe, you know? I'm just take a little bit of dark academia, 60s dark academia, and mix it with a little bit of Hobbit and smash it together. Yeah, life is too short to wear boring clothes. I'm gonna wear this dress until I die. I'm never taking it off. And at the end, I just want to say thanks for all the love on my last video. That was pretty cool. I didn't expect it to get that much attention. So yeah, if you like that video and you like this one, then I've got a couple more that I'm working on. And if you hit subscribe, you'll get to know when I put out the next one. Tell your friends. Bye-bye. Okay, bye.